SmartFix. This keyless remote case allows you to simply replace a cracked or worn case. Convenient repair. Makes restoring a worn-out key fob easier by just replacing the cover. Seamless fit. Matches dimensions of original transmitter cover for a tight seal. Trustworthy protection. Keeps moisture and debris out of internal electronics. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Cracked or wore out your key fob case? Just replace the case with this convenient, affordable keyless entry transmitter cover, restoring the look and functionality. Top reviews from the United States. Awesomeness. Perfect, used for my 2005 Chevy Tahoe. My old written-out case needed to be replaced. This worked perfectly. Quick, fast, easy shipping too.